Hello watcher and subscriber. In this tutorial again we are going to learn something new, and that new concept is that most of the time we want to increase the shape of the sprite. Okay, either by pressing arrow key or clicking on that particular sprite. So here we will see how you can change the size of the sprite by taking the help of coding. So first upon I would like to change its background. So suppose my background will be this one, and I don't want this existing sprite. In place of that I am searching suitable sprite. I want suppose balloon. So this balloon size I want to change. So how we can change? So that size section, it is related with the look, and under the look section I have to search. In this look section I have to search the size. So here it is a set change size, so that is suitable for my coding, and when I click here the size get changed. So I want here in the control section there is a repeat block, so that my work will be easy because it will be repeated 10 times. So if I click on this section, it is changing, it is in bigger size. So this process will be repeated 10 times. You can change it like a 20 or 5 according to your requirement. And here this event I want to perform when I press on up key. So for that I am changing its key, that is up key, means if I press the up key the size get changed. And same opposite reverse direction I want for the down key. So here first I am setting down key, down arrow key, and here I should write -10. So now what happen if I press here, it is going down, or if I use the down arrow key, it is getting small. If I use up arrow key, it is changing. So in this way you can change the size of the balloon. So I use very simple code here. First I use change size by, so size get changed. Here I use minus size for getting the less size, and then I use repeat block, so that in that this process will repeat 10 times. And here when I click on the arrow key, then only it will be changed. If I press suppose up arrow key, then the size will grow, and if I click on the down arrow key, then size will reduce. So in this way you can use this bunch of code, so the sprite size will be changed. So this is the very effective coding, and you can use this coding in the coming projects for the completion of your project. So in according to your story, whenever you are in a need to change the size of the sprite, then you can use this bunch of code. It will be helpful to you. So I hope, dear student, you understood this new concept and you can utilize in your coming project. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.